Follow these steps to fix depth effect not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, update your iOS. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option General. Click on the option Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. Then, you can try to change your wallpaper. Launch your lock screen. Press and hold on it. Click on Customize. Click on the lock screen option. Now click on the picture option. Now select the picture that you want to set as wallpaper. Once you have selected the picture, click on three dots. You'll be able to find the option of depth effect. Check in for it. Widgets can interfere with the depth effect, so you can remove them. For that, you'll need to click on the option of widget and click on this minus icon. Likewise, not all the images are suitable for a depth effect. Choose photos where the main subject is positioned near the center or foreground, allowing the clock to appear behind it. Ensure the photo is clear and well lit, as low light images may not trigger the depth effect. Once you are done, you can click on the option of Done. With that, you have just uploaded wallpaper with the depth effect. If still it is not working, what you can do is launch your settings. Go to the option General. Click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Likewise, next thing you want to do is force restart your device. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the depth effect on your iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. This guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.